Are you getting error code 31 while playing Valorant? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on fixing error code 31 in Valorant. So without wasting any time, let's start. Method 1. Uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard from your computer. To do this, click on the search icon and type in CMD. Now right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Then click Yes to grant permission. Now type in sc delete VGC and press enter. Then type sc delete VGK and hit enter. Don't worry about the commands, you can copy them from the video description below. Now open up your system tray by clicking on this little arrow icon. Then right click on Riot Vanguard and click on Exit Vanguard. Now open Settings. And click on Apps from the left side menu. Now click on Installed Apps and scroll down and find Riot Vanguard. Then click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Now a tiny window will pop up. Click Uninstall from it. Then Riot Vanguard will ask for permission. Just select Yes here. Now another window will pop up asking whether you want to completely uninstall Vanguard. Just like before, click on Yes, and Valorant Vanguard will be removed from your computer. Now restart your computer. After your computer turns on, open Riot Client. Click on Valorant. Here, the Riot client will tell you to update Valorant. Click on the update button and then click on Yes to give permission. This will reinstall Vanguard, but you may have to click on update a few times. Now restart your computer. After your computer turns on, check if the error is fixed. Method 2. Still getting the error? Try repairing Valorant. To do this, first open up Riot Client. Next, click on the profile icon from the top right corner and select Settings. Now switch to the Valorant tab and click on the Repair button. Then click on Start Repair, and the client will start repairing Valorant. After it's done, click on OK. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Method 3. Set up Vanguard to start automatically when your computer turns on. To do this, type Services in the search bar and click on it. Now scroll down and find the VGC service. Then right-click on it and select Properties. Now set up the startup type to Automatic. Then click on Apply and then on OK. Lastly, restart your computer. After your computer turns on, you should be able to play Valorant without this error. So guys, that's how you fix error code 31 in Valorant. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you're still struggling with the problem, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.